Without me, what would the world of technology look like? You can't see me, yet I can peer into the heart of your products with a power that is unimaginable. Seamark technology, enhancing quality, increasing efficiency, awakening insight and discernment. In the X-ray inspection industry where I am embedded, standing at the pinnacle of technology, scrutinizing the flow of electrons, feeling the heartbeat of products, and sensing the breath and pulse of products with every cycle. With penetrating X-ray scans, I deliver the best analysis possible while maintaining zero destruction of your products. I deliver my best to help you solve problems. Join me now in this breath of intelligent inspection, feeling the infinite possibilities of technology. From optical aligned BGA Rework equipment to fully automatic visual alignment, desoldering, tin removal, and reballing. From offline and inline X-ray inspection, embracing industrial CT, 3D construction, and artificial intelligence software, to professional applications in new energy technologies, lithium power sources, and various general electronic products, we offer comprehensive inspection analysis of SMT, semiconductors, and castings. From continuously expanding the product matrix, dynamic roadmaps, and investment in innovative solutions and systems, to lead the new trends of industry developments by identifying future solutions in an ever-dynamic and demanding technological arena. Intelligence changes the future, and we actively and proactively develop and promote development. The road ahead is long and highly competitive, but we keep moving, innovating, developing, exploring the way ahead through dynamic leadership, and excelling and leading in this technological world. Seamark, intuitive excellence in technology, excellence in innovation.